Hi, pals. In this very lesson, we're going to be looking at the second worked example on how to use the formula method to solve quadratic equation. So right here, we have solve for x in 6 root 3x squared plus 3x minus 10 root 3 equals to 0. As you can see, this is a quadratic equation. As you can see, it's very clear. The highest power we have here on the unknown is s power positive 2. Not just 2, but positive 2. So what do we do first? The first thing we're going to do is we're going to write out the values of A, B, C. Those are the coefficients of each of the unknowns that we have here. So A is 6 root 3, B is 3, C is minus 10 root 3. So what's our formula? What's the formula? There's the almighty formula, S, or the quadratic formula. S is equal to minus B plus or minus square root of B squared minus 4AC over 2A. So we're looking for the values of x. So x is equals to minus b is 3 plus or minus b squared, that's b, that's 3 is power 2 minus 4 times a is 6 root 3, then times c, 4ac, c is minus 10 root 3 like this. So what do we have? We just have this right here over 2 times a is 6 root 3 right here. So what do we have next? So we're going to just carry on. X is minus 3 plus or minus square root. 3 raised by 2 is 9, minus 4 out here. So what do we have? There's a positive sign here. Plus is minus. 6 times 10 is 60 times root 3 times root 3 is root 9, which is written as ordinary 3. Close your bracket up. Then 2 times 6 root 3. 2 times 6 is 12 root 3. We're very close to getting the values of x. So x next is minus 3 plus or minus square root this 9, minus 4 stays out, 60 times 3 gives us minus 180. I close up the bracket, 12 times root 3 is 12 root 3. So you're going to take this up, you're taking it up here, you're very close to getting the values of x, very close. So what do we have? We have x equals to minus 3 plus or minus square root of 9 minus 4, open the bracket, minus 180 over 12 root 3. So s is going to be equals to minus 3 plus or minus square root, that's 9. Minus is positive, that's plus. 4 times 180 will give us 720 over 12 root 3. We're not far from what we want, the values of x, minus 3 plus or minus. Now 720 plus 9 is 729 over 12 root 3. So what's the square root of 729? 0.7 and 29 right here. What do we have? The perfect square before 7? 7 is not a perfect square, that's 4. 3 times 3 is 9, 9 is far more than this. It's 2, 2 times 2, 4. 2 plus 2 is 4. 7 minus 4 is 329. So what do we have? And after this, that by the time we multiply, we get 329. Let's try 7. 7, 7. 7 times 7, 49. We have 9. For 7 times 7, I mean. 49, keep your 4. 7 times 4, 28 plus 4 is 32. So 7, 7 is 329. So we get what we want there, 54. So 327 is the square root of 729. So we have x right there. What do we have? Minus 3 plus or minus 27 over 12 root 3. You get very close to the values of x. So what is the next thing? The next thing is this. X is minus 3 plus 27 over 12 root 3, or minus 3 minus 27 over 12 root 3. So what do we have? Minus 3 plus 27 will give us 24. 24 over 12 root 3, or minus 30 over 12 root 3. So x is what? S is equals to 12 here 1, 12 here 2. So 6 here 5, 6 here 2. So the values of x will be 2 over root 3, or minus 5 over 2 root 3. These are the values of x. Now, if you're not comfortable with this, you could decide to rationalize each of them. I could decide to rationalize this and also rationalize this. We end up having the values of x in a different format. So if you want to rationalize this, that would then be s equals to 2 over root 3 will give us 2 times root 3 over root 3 times root 3, or minus 5 over 2 times root 3. There's a root 3 here already, root 3 times root 3. So what do we have? X will be 2 root 3 over Root 3 times root 3 just under root 3, or minus 5 root 3 over, so 2 root 3, that's, what do we have here? This 5 over, this 5 minus 5 over 2 root 3, so 5 over 2 root 3 times root 3, and root 3 up here also. So 2 times root 3 times root 3, that will be 2 times root 9, which is 2 times 3, which is 6. So these are the values of x also. So if you don't like it this way, you can also put it in this format. So that's that for the second word example. So we're going to be looking at the take-homes right now. Okay, guys, you have some questions to get ourselves tested. Right here, we have to solve for x and 19x minus 14 plus 3x squared equal to 0. And the second question, solve for x and minus 2 root 5 plus 29x plus 3 root 5 x squared equals to 0. Now, these two questions are perfect questions to get us tested to see how much we've gotten from today's lesson. So at this very point in time, we're drawing the curtain on today's beautiful lesson. If you found this lesson resourceful, please subscribe to the very channel at Edge Mosaic, and also follow me on Facebook at Revelation Up. And also please share this very lesson with others. See you in the next lesson. Thanks.